This problem wants us to take the derivative, as it says right here, of this kind of large function of x. So that'll involve a little bit of work here. Here we go. F prime. Okay, so this is a function of x multiplied by another function of x. So that means the product rule. Remember, they take turns. So the derivative of the first part, bring down that 2. That'll be 10x to the 1, because you subtract 1 from the power. This has invisible 1 power, comes on down. 4, subtract 1 from power, it's just gone. And then the minus 3, that's just gone. Because if you have a, oh, I'm saying too many things at once. So the derivative of the negative 3 is just 0 because it doesn't have an x. Anytime you take the derivative of a number added or subtracted that doesn't have an x, it's just 0, it's gone. Okay, and then the second function didn't change. That's the product rule. Plus, and now the first function will not change. It'll stay the same. Times, now it's this guy's turn. Derivative of the second function. Now, what's derivative of cotan? Well, I could tell you. Derivative, let me give you a few of them. Derivative of secant is secant tangent. Derivative of tangent is secant squared. Okay, it's good to know those two. And then the cos, derivative of cosecant. So it's going to be the same as secant tangent, except cos are in front of those. Cosecant, cotan, and it's a cotan. And it's negative. Derivative of all cofunctions is negative. Then the derivative of this guy, but cotangent. It's going to be the same as this guy, but so cosecant. And again, it's negative. Derivative of all cofunctions is negative. So derivative of cotangent is negative cosecant squared. So let's do that. I'll bring that right here. Negative cosecant squared of x. So see how here, I'll do this in orange. See how they took turns. And we're not done yet. Now plus, and now this guy, let's do this guy. Your sine is cosine. There's his derivative. Okay. So do you see what happened there? So this guy was by far much more work. He's two functions of x multiplied. So I do the product, which means this guy goes first, second guy just sits there. Then the first guy just sits there, plus, the first guy just sits there, times this derivative of the second guy, derivative of cotan is negative cosecant squared. And then derivative of 7 sine is 7 cosine, because 7 just sits there and derivative of sine is cosine. So there we go. You can, yeah, you can just type it in just like that. I would. That's it. No need to, there's no real cleanup on that. That's it. That's the derivative of that function.